Here's a simple guide to earning your first money online. It's an effortless way to begin your journey into Pinterest affiliate marketing, perfect for beginners. I will show you a platform which enables you to promote countless products, offering a 20% commission and occasional bonuses. The process involves a straightforward download and upload. And let's get into it. Alright guys, I'm thrilled to share this one with you. You've probably heard about Amazon affiliate marketing. Initially getting approved as an affiliate can be challenging, and even when you do get approved, the commission payout is quite low, ranging from 2 to 3 or to 5% tops in affiliate commissions. However, in recent months, a new app has been introduced, and there's a lot of buzz surrounding this fresh marketplace. It's called Temu, available at temu.com, and I'll guide you on how to kickstart your journey with Temu. So click on sign up, put your email in, create your password, and click on register. Here you get introduced with your rewards and how it works. I'm going to show you how to use the code later. Just sign up and get your affiliate link. You can click on this and copy link and leave it as is. Once you have your affiliate link, head over to pinterest.com. Here you can create your new account. When you have an active account on Pinterest, what you want to do right now is actually head over to TikTok, because on TikTok you're gonna find viral videos that you're going to repost on Pinterest. Yes, that's exactly how you're going to drive traffic to Temu through your affiliate link. So let's just go to TikTok. The cool thing about Temu, and especially Temu affiliate marketing, is that all you need to do is get people to the store or download the app, because it doesn't matter what they buy. As long as they buy something on the platform through your affiliate link, you're going to receive a commission. So you could be promoting anything. You can use any of these viral videos that are on TikTok. As long as you get the click to Temu with your affiliate link, you're good to go and you're going to make money. So once you are on TikTok, all you have to do is go to the search tab and type in something like Temu or Temu Finds. Click on search, and we are going to search for the most viral videos on TikTok. As you can see, there are a lot of videos promoting different products. Just like people promote Amazon products on TikTok, it's the same thing with Temu. People are searching for Temu Finds, Temu Reviews, and all of these keywords. And there are millions of videos that you can choose from, and most of them are viral. So go through these videos and find the ones with the highest view count. Basically, you need to find a viral video about a product from Temu. For example, I found a video about the lunchbox from temu.com. It has 3 million views, 200,000 likes. So what you're going to do after you find your viral video on TikTok, download it to your computer. Just click on copy link and go to the website called snaptik.app. Then paste the video link right here and click on download. That is going to download the video to your computer. Then head back to Pinterest and you're going to re-upload this video as your own pin on your brand new account. Now don't worry about copyright. We are going to credit the original creator of this TikTok, and as long as we credit people over at Pinterest, there's usually no problem by reusing other people's content. That's important. Don't forget to credit them, and I'm going to show you how later on. Now the next step is to move over to this section and create a new pin. So click on create, choose a file that you just downloaded from snaptik.app and upload it right here. And notice there's no TikTok watermark. This is why we prefer using the Snaptik website for video downloads, ensuring the removal of any watermarks. Once you have your video right here, you're going to give it a title, a description, and then you're going to paste your affiliate link that you got from Temu right here. So you always send people to Temu from your affiliate link. I'm going to give it some text, and then we are going to publish a pin. This is basically what we are going to do every single day, a couple of times. Find trending Temu videos on TikTok, download them, and just re-upload them and reshare them on Pinterest. For the title, we can just copy it from the TikTok. So I already prepared some notes in advance. So just click on copy, paste, and just for a little bit more SEO friendly title, we can actually include Temu Find. For the description, we are going to use something like this right here, because a lot of people on Pinterest are using something similar to this, so you can just copy that or create your own. My Temu finds download the Temu app via link in bio. Now you should obviously have your affiliate link in your bio also when you create your Pinterest account, and then you will have the link inside of every single pin as well. Remember, you don't need the actual link to product in the video. All you have to do is use your affiliate link every single time. Okay, now let's get back to Temu. By the way guys, you can use my affiliate link to sign up your new account. I'll leave my link down below in the description. So when you sign up to Temu as an affiliate, you're going to get access to your affiliate link, but you're also going to access a promo code. That is what people are using on Pinterest and on TikTok as well. If people are brand new to the Temu app and they download it for the first time, install it on their phone and create an account, they can actually use your promo code to get a discount. Now, how big the discount is depends on where in the world you're living, then you're signing up on Temu. But in most cases, it's around 30 to 50%. That's why a lot of people include download the Temu app via link in your bio and get 50% off using this code. You are going to find your code inside the affiliate dashboard. Just click on share to earn, click on copy link, and go back to Pinterest. Paste your affiliate link right here. Use code for new app users. So let's get back to Temu, and you can just copy this code right here. Click on share. Your affiliate code has been copied, and just paste it right here. For new app users, use a checkout to get 50% off. Shop hundreds of items for under $5, free shipping and free returns. This is basically good to go. You need your title, description, and your affiliate link. And last thing, we need to include a couple of hashtags. I gathered the most frequently used hashtags, and those I'm just going to paste right inside of the description. Let's get back to my notes, copy our hashtags, and we can just click and enter twice and paste our hashtags into the description tab. And this is basically it. This is the easiest way to reuse content from TikTok. Upload it to Pinterest and just create as many as you can every day to get traffic. Remember, like I said, as soon as somebody clicks on your affiliate link and they will be taken to Temu.com, if they buy something, whatever they buy, that is how you're going to get a 20% commission. The amazing part with Temu is that the affiliate program actually pays up to 20% commissions. Compared to Amazon, 2, 3, 5%, you can make a lot more money over Temu, and it's trending, and it's super easy to get traffic if you are just consistent with this method. Alright guys, when you have your title, your description, your hashtags, and your affiliate link, there's only one more important step, and that is actually to credit the original creators. So head back to TikTok and copy this username. So add some blank spaces here, type credit, TikTok, add, and paste that username. So you credit the original creator, and then all you need to do is click on publish. And this is what you're going to do every single day. Find trending videos on TikTok, Temu related, download them using Snaptik, and then just re-upload them to Pinterest just like I showed you. Alright, there you have it guys, a simple and effective method to kickstart your journey with the Temu affiliate marketing on Pinterest and start earning some decent money online. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to follow these steps daily, and I mean it, daily. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried affiliate marketing on Pinterest before? Or is this your first time exploring this opportunity? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments down below. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on making money online. I'll be sharing more strategies, so stay tuned.